Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back from our weekend. Let's take a look at our calendar and see what today is. All right, over here we have our month of January. And look, we're on almost that last week. There's one day there on that last spot there, but this is pretty much our last week of January, and then we're going to change our month. So let's look at our number 20. So that's a 2 and 5. That's a 5. 25. Over here, I'm going to actually bring you a little closer so you can see. There is our number 25. And let's take a look at our colors to know what color we have to put up there for our calendar. Orange, blue, green. Orange, blue, green. Orange, blue, green. All right, so let's put that green up there and let's listen to our sentence.
Today is Monday, January 25th, 2021.
All right, now today, one of the things on our slides that you're going to be looking at is when you check your weather, you're going to be checking the temperature. And at home, you have something that looks like this. And that'll tell you when our temperature is cold, cool, warm, or hot. So this is actually a thermometer that we have in class. This is a real one. This one's a paper one. But this one here is a real thermometer, okay? And as you can see, when we're inside of our classroom here, that red line goes up to about 70. See how the red goes up? Whoop, to about 70 degrees. So when you look over here, when you go to the number 70 inside of our classroom, it's warm. But if you were to go outside, if I were to put this outside, it would drop. Ooh, and it would probably go down somewhere around here where it says it's cold, because outside it is cold. So what I want you to do is tell what the weather outside feels like. And then you can put these little Velcro pieces on and talk about that with your family. All right, so that you'll see on one of our slides. Now we're going to take a look at our slides and see what else we have going on for the day. Okay, there's our thermometer or our temperature. You can listen to the weather song. And today at our Google Meet, we're going to be graphing if you've ever built a snowman. Have you ever built a snowman outside? I know we had one snowfall, I think it was last month, and I'm curious to see if you built a snowman. So at the Google Meet, you're going to tell me either yes, Y-E-S, or no, N-O. And then we're going to graph like we've been doing every week. We've been graphing like our favorite animal or our favorite color. So we're going to do that same type of thing here for have you ever built a snowman? Okay, so make sure you bring that to our Google Meet. There's our thermometer. And today we're going to be reading a story called Sneezy the Snowman. And Sneezy the Snowman is a snowman who's cold, right? When you touch the snowman, he's cold. But that snowman likes to go into things that are hot. And something happens to the snowman. So I want you to listen to the story to find out what happens to Sneezy when he goes into things that are hot, or when he touches things or eats things that are hot. Okay? All right, so make sure you listen to those stories. They're actually the same, but you can pick which one you want to listen to. And then my afternoon friends and my morning friends can draw a picture too, maybe do some pre-writing strokes, maybe lines down, lines across. But my afternoon friends are actually going to be writing a paper here. It's their writing prompt. And I want to know, it says, my snowman melted because. I want you to draw a snowman and make him melt and tell us why. All right, so I'm going to draw you a picture of what my snowman is going to do and why my snowman melts. All right, so I know a snowman has 3 circles. I'm going to draw a big circle on the bottom, a medium circle in the middle, and a small circle at the top. So that's going to be for my snowman. Big, medium, small. And then I'm going to give him some eyes and a nose and whatever you want to do. Then I'm going to draw something that you go in to get clean. This here. All right, sorry, my phone cut out. All right, so now I was drawing something that you go in to get clean, and it's so warm and it's filled with water. What do you think I'm drawing? I'm drawing a bath. That's my favorite place to be. It's so nice and relaxing. So what would happen if that snowman got into my bath? Yes, I think something would happen to him. Ooh, would he start to melt? Yes, he would. So my snowman melted because, and I'm going to write the word bath on there, okay? He took and I can't squeeze it in there, but you probably can squeeze it maybe on the back, or maybe I can write it at the top. All right, so I'm going to write, he took a hot bath. And then, so if you want to try it, you can maybe just write the word bath. And there we have the word bath. All right, so I want to hear why your snowman at home melted. All right, that'll be fun. All right, let's take a look at our next slide. I have to actually erase this to go to the next slide so that doesn't show up. All right, so a craft. You're going to have a craft that looks like this. It's called Melting Snowman Craft. You can make it with some shaving cream and glue, just like we've done before when we did that little boy or little girl that slid down the big hill. Or you can just use the white piece of paper that's inside of your bag. All right, so I'm going to bring you down here to the ground for just a minute so you can see how this craft is going to work. So you're going to get your piece of paper and you're going to get all of the pieces outside of your bag and you're going to make your snowman look like he melted in your bag. You're going to see his nose, his triangle nose, and you're going to see his scarf, his soft scarf. And you're going to see some buttons that he'll wear on his jacket and his hands made out of sticks. Okay, so just get all of those things and you can kind of put it all around your tray and make it look like your snowman melted. So that'll be a fun craft. I'd love to see what you design as you do it today. All right, and then let's see what else we've got here today. We've got a lot of things today, my golly. All right, my afternoon friends, you'll have a piece of paper that looks like this. And my morning friends can listen to that book too. You're gonna push it and you're gonna find the words hot and cold, okay, inside of the poem. And your families can help explain that a little bit more. And you can find it by highlighting it or underlining it or circling it, okay? And you can listen to that story and you can hear about things that are hot and things that are cold. And then lastly, you're gonna find a song that looks like this. And if you have paper plates at home, you can take your paper plates and you can actually stand on them. So let me show you what that's gonna look like. Bring that down here like this. You're actually gonna stand on them. And as you're singing, you're gonna move and dance and wiggle, okay? And then there's some other songs on there as well. So make sure you listen to those songs, sing along, and have lots of fun. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.